under 23 girls 400 meter.
400 meter
In lane number
23.
1, bib number 126, Haisab Day from East Jaintia Hills District. Lane number 2, bib number 095, Slidaris Makri from Ribhoi District. In lane number 3, bib number 267, Kabiri Armara from South Garo Hills District. Lane number 4, bib number 304, Graceful Marwin from Maukarwad Sports Association. In lane number 5, bib number 258, Pinhun Huweng, Nongstoin Sports Association. Lane number 6, bib number 067, Sanchira Di Sangma from East Garo Hills District Sports Association.
Hit number 1, West Khasi Hill.
Lane number 1, bib number 308, Balachisha Kharjaran from Maukarwad District Sports Association. Lane number 2, bib number 128, Sohai Kai Khang Dakar from East Jaintia Hills. Lane number 3, bib number 263, Chasbi M. Sangba from South Garo Hills. Lane number 4, bib number 035, Clara Jones Karbi from Shillong Sports Association. Lane number 5, bib number 259,
Bib number 4
Balasyan
will
Yawnai
win.
from Nongthorn District.
Lane number 4.
Lane number 6, bib number 197, Tengrimchi M. Sangma from North Garo Hills District Association.
Long jump under 16 years girls. First call 1500 meters under 23 years girls heats, and the first call for the long jump under 16 years girls final events.
Lane 1, bib number 274, Tenkimbert Mara from South Garo Hills District Association. Lane number 2, bib number 182, Hitesh Rabha from North Garo Hills. Lane number 3, bib number 114, Rupos Rinklem from East Jaintia Hills District. Lane number 4, bib number 089, Pilo Rangham from Ribhoi District Association. Lane number 5, bib number 065, Hamji and Sangma from East Garo Hills District. Lane number 6, bib number 213, Krishan Langshilla from West Jaintia Hills District Sports Association.
Oh.
The under 23 male 400 meter. Lane number 1, bib number 016, Nampi Trangwa, Shillong Sports Association. Lane number 2, bib number 314, Yaisha Shilla from West Jaintia Hills District. Lane number 3, bib number 292, Tanbor Langlungkoi from Maukawa District. Lane number 4, bib number 275, Titush G. Mara from South Garo Hills District. Lane number 5, bib number 064, Bontrang R. Sangma, East Garo Hills District. Lane number 6, bib number 181, Salchura Mara from North Garo Hills District. Lane number 1, bib number 291, Velcosta Thongli from Mautarwad District Sports Association. Lane 2, bib number 113, 11th car from East Giant Hills District. Lane number 3, bib number 094, Modern Star Nongpok from Ribhor District Association. Lane number 4, bib number 014, Dino Ikahed from Shillong Sports Association.